as in start see everywhere. Let me do other things. These are the one. This one is anyone is having a baby that is Hey guys, good morning and welcome back to the video, the nesting video. You guys, today is 10 days since I had our baby. You guys are going to watch the gender reveal definitely before you watch this video. We just had our daughter at 32 weeks. You guys already know, if you are new here, yeah, we had our baby at 32 weeks, so we did not nest or do some things before baby arrived because baby arrived unannounced. So this is baby room, and this room is very small, so we are going to make it our baby girl's room. For baby name, you guys are going to find out all of this later in future. So for now, what I've been able to do, I've been able to wash and dry all the clothes. Obi have finished painting. I'm going to show you guys too. Right now he has gone to register baby girl because it's been 10 days, and in this our city, once it crosses 10 days, you have to start bringing so many reasons why you did it late. So after today it has elapsed, so he has gone to register the baby to the community, so they will know, okay, somebody gave birth to so and so baby in this community, the baby's name, the baby's parents, and he will start processing her documents. So that's what he's doing now. So this is baby clothes. Let me bring the camera closer. These clothes are the ones I used during Jasmine's time and the ones I bought. Jasmine did not use everything. Let me reduce this thing. When I had Jasmine was very massive. She was big at birth, so some of the clothes I got for her, she did not use them. So those clothes are here. All of them are already washed. You can see them, they are already washed and dried. So I just selected the ones that I know are still new and never used, and the ones that I used and see in good condition, I just selected them and I washed them. The ones I bought and everything, they are here. Let me show you the rest. See, you guys, don't even ask me what I am wearing. I almost tied my stomach to glory. I'm using 2 wrappers to tie my stomach. I prefer this one. I saw it somewhere on Instagram and I've been doing it. It's been 10 days postpartum and I'm seeing changes. My tummy is reducing, but you know, easy. This one is more comfortable for me than the waist trainers and even the one I bought online, the belly Nicu. It wasn't my size. They brought M instead of L, so I couldn't use it. So this one is perfect. The tummy wrap, that one is too stressful, so it's inside the room. I'm not using it. Don't even ask me what I'm wearing now. This cold is after my life. You can see that I have flu, so I had to wear this trouser, this pajama trouser. I had to wear this one. It's a lot. This jacket, bag, all these things you see, I'm going to throw them away. I already arranged this bag. There are a lot of things inside that I want to throw away. These are the blanket and bedspread I used during Jasmine's time, so I'm going to throw them away. I already arranged them. They are going out. I don't want to use them again. I'm tired. Everywhere is filled up. See everywhere. So let's start arranging. So these are the clothes. You can see there are a lot. So I'll start arranging it soon, but for now let me do other things. These are the ones I go online. First aid for bed top. So many other things are inside here. So I'll start arranging. Here I've done some work here. These are clothes that I was gifted. It was washed and arranged, but I selected some that I didn't like and I put them away. I did not throw them away, I just put them away. So this is one very huge bag that is here. There are clothes inside. So this bag, I will look for what to do with it. These ones, they are Jasmine's summer clothes that she's not using. This is baby dry I cleaned the other day. These ones on the floor, they are the ones I want to throw away, and some are my husband's clothes. I don't know what they are doing here. These ones are Jasmine clothes. This one, I don't know. So I'm still arranging this car seat. Is paining me that I'm going to throw it away. We already threw some away. We bought a new car seat and stroller for baby. So I wish anyone is having a baby that is close to me, I would have given it out. But nobody is having a baby, nobody is pregnant, so I don't know what to do. I wanted to put it on Facebook Market to gift it. I don't know. Let's see what will happen. This one, someone gifted me this even before baby was even 3 months in my tummy. It's my consultant that gifted me this. These are Jasmine jackets. I'm going to arrange them. It's looking messy, yes. So these are also things I got online. These are things I got online too. So many things are just like everywhere is messy. This is Jasmine bicycle that I'm going to like take to somewhere else, or I leave it here. I don't know yet. See Jasmine wardrobe. This is her father's handwork. Anytime he's looking for something, he would just come and pick it and mess everything up. So I'll need to arrange Jasmine's wardrobe right away, because I also bought some storage organizer, so I'm going to use it for Jasmine. This is the diaper somebody gifted me when I was 4 months pregnant. So many things are going to happen in this room. See, you see this place is messy. I'm so excited to start off this video. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. Another video. I learned this one from Jasmine. Anyways guys, welcome to the preparation of bringing baby home. So we are arranging the room again, since they said baby will be home in a week time by the grace of God. I arranged this room before, but I stopped halfway because I was like, I don't know when baby is going to come. I don't want to put everything up and later it will be dusty and whatever. So now that we have cleared that baby will soon be home, I want to finish up everything that I'm supposed to do in this room. So I want to go and get some things like chair to be beating baby, duvet cover for this bed. Nobody is sleeping here, but in case, I'm going to cover the bed and what's not. So this is the waist trainer I bought from Shein. You guys, Shein should avoid me after this time. I bought this one, it was small. I bought a bigger one, it was too big. Now that bigger one, the zip removed. I will be going out soon, so let me just remove this thing. No need. So this is all my tummy without anything. The other day I wore the other wrap. I was like, look at your shape. Say, okay, my pikin the hospital. Avoid me. This is the first time I'm actually leaving my house alone since I gave birth. You guys, it seems like I'm new to the community. It's been 3 weeks and this is the first time I'm driving, going out alone without Jasmine and her father. Anyways, let's go. Never ever feel me. You not go even feel me now. Now you be my destiny helper. Presence and help. You know they pay me long. You know they shame me up. I just stopped by to quickly get full. I just finished from the supermarket, or rather the shop I went to get stuff for decoration. I almost cried. What I went there to get, like what I had in mind, they don't have it. It is finished and they said they don't have the intention to even restock. When I saw it then, we just came to buy something for Jasmine. Then I saw it. I loved it. But Obi convinced me now that we'll come back next time to buy. Now the next time they don't have it again. I will show you guys what they have and what I later choose. So I'll put what I had here and what I later choose. You guys will see it when I'm decorating. I'm so sad. I've been back since God knows how long, but I just tried to arrange this place to an extent before I will speak with you guys. I was watching vlogs and I didn't want copyright when I'm talking, so I have to finish watching all the vlogs from my favorite growing YouTubers. So just finished catching up. So I had to put this sweet on my mouth. I feel sleepy, so I had to put it in my mouth to make me not fall asleep. This is what I got. I got 3 frames. I noticed that the whole pictures of Jasmine we have in this house that I printed are all the same picture, like with one outfit. So this particular one is with Jasmine and my friend Loretta's daughter Zara. This is her and Jasmine, and it's the same day I printed this picture and this one. So it's the same picture. I have to change the picture afterwards, but for now I will use this one. I really love this one. You guys will not even believe how much I bought this frame. Just take a wild guess. It was very affordable. It was on discount and I love it. It's so fluffy. So I had to get this one. I got this for the floor. I don't need to buy a bigger rug before adding this one, but I don't have the funds right now. I have a lot of things to do with money before my husband could say I don't use money finish. So I didn't get that design or something I showed you guys that looks like share. I didn't get that one again. I got this one instead. Let me open it. Hold on. So it's like this. This is the cover. finally fixed it. I put it wrongly before, so it's like this. This is love shape. So why I got this one is because I can as well put these toys and all that inside because it has storage. Then I can sit on it to bathe baby. I can use it as decoration. I can use this for so many things. So that's why I decided to pick this one. I remember sending to Obi. I sent him 2 different types. I was like, baby, pick one. He's like, pick any one do you like. They are beautiful. Oga no one pick. Man no say na him come cause am again. So he was like, just pick anything you like. They are beautiful. The one you know your heart choose, go for it. So I had to pick this one. Even the lady at the shop also prefers this one to the other one I showed you guys. So I hope it's beautiful. So I also got beddings. So I got this bed sheet for this place. I was looking for even duvet cover. I didn't get duvet cover because the person in charge of that place was not around. Today is Sunday, so I had to be looking for everything myself. Nobody to take me around the shop. So I bought this one. I'll open it later, or maybe when I spread the bed you guys will see it. I got this plate. I remember the last time I got plate when I had Jasmine. That plate till now is still serving its purpose. Let me open this one. See, I think I will use this one for this room. And I got this beautiful throw pillow. I know after I've arranged this room, Jasmine will wish to sleep in this room. And I even pray she sleep in this room so that she will let me be in the other room. So I got this one the last time. I didn't show you guys. I got quite a number of things. This one right here, I was trying to show you guys this thing in my last video, but then I didn't know what was inside. This is for baby crib, and we got this foam. The one Jasmine used, my husband was like, let's straight away and get a new one for the baby because the baby immune system is still very, like, I don't know how to explain. You guys know what I mean. So we had to get another foam. We changed a lot of things. So anyways, let me start putting things together because this is the last part of things I want to arrange in this room until baby comes, before we'll put the bed up and open this foam, and also open the stroller, maybe a few days too, so we can carry the car seats to the hospital. So let me start. I'm talking too much, I know.